If you're looking for a cooker that takes the everyday difficulties out of mealtime, then this Beko electric ceramic cooker will make the perfect addition to your kitchen. The 60-litre conventional oven provides plenty of space for cooking a variety of foods simultaneously. Enjoy additional flexibility and cook large foods spread throughout the cavity, perfect when you're preparing a Sunday roast. The removable inner glass door is free of bolts. Both inner panels can be removed for a hassle-free deep clean, meaning cleaning your cooker can be as easy as cleaning the dishes. Steam cleaning takes the difficulty out of removing tough food residue from the walls of your cooker. Simply pour water into the tray and allow your cooker to create steam that softens even the most stubborn of foods. All you need to do is wipe it away. An ideal solution for anyone who loves to cook but hates the chore of cleaning up afterwards. Built for your convenience, its large capacity and easy cleaning options makes this Beko electric ceramic cooker a fantastic choice every time.